All right, hey there, crew. Happy Thursday. Got some running in the workout to do today. I know a lot of you tend to shy away from that, but don't be scared. You need to run. Everybody should run. Just run, okay? And that's what today's workout is. We're doing 3 different distances. We're doing a 200, 400, and 600 meter run. We're doing 3 rounds of that. Obviously, prior to the workout, you should get your Google Maps out or whatever and measure your distances if you haven't done that already. You need a 200, a 400, and a 600 meter distance to run today. What we're doing is we are working and resting in equal amounts. So I'll explain the first round. First round, 200 meter run. Let's say it takes you a minute. That means you would rest for a minute, equal amount. Then you do your 400 meter run. Let's say that takes you 2 minutes. Then you would rest for 2 minutes directly afterwards. Then your 600 meter run takes you 3 minutes. You would rest for 3 minutes. So as long as it takes you to do each run, you rest for that long directly afterwards. The workout today, the score for the workout today is the entire time it takes you to do the 3 rounds, including all the rest periods. Probably about half an hour or so. So get your distances measured out. Get your timer going. Looking at 3 different paces today, obviously 3 different runs. We look for higher speed at our 200s, right? That's a real short, fast run. 400 meters, just a little bit slower, and then just a little bit slower than that on our 600 meters. 3 different speeds. You can kind of keep that in mind as you're running. Ideally, we're consistently, or I should say, keeping a consistent pace across the 3 rounds. So if it takes you 45 seconds to do 200 meters in your first round, it should also ideally take you pretty close to 45 seconds in your third round, right? So we want kind of consistent pace for each run across all 3 rounds. That is definitely something to shoot for. Another thing to think about, I mentioned this the other day in one of my videos, is being light on your feet. When we run, try to keep those feet directly underneath the body. Try to be very light on your feet, right? As soon as that foot lands underneath you, just pull it right back up again. We want to be very light on the feet. Try to be a quiet runner. If you can hear your feet kind of slamming on the ground every time, you're doing something wrong. You're probably heel striking. You're probably swinging your legs back and forth in front of and behind your body. When we run, ideally, we have the feet directly underneath the body, moving up and down, very light, very quick. As soon as that foot lands, pull it right back up again, all right? And that's about it. 3 rounds, 200, 400, 600. Rest for as long as it takes you to do each run. That's it. Get after it, guys. Have a good workout.